So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to flip a video vertically in design wizard. So first thing you have to do is go into design wizard, go to the left hand side of your screen, and right in between text and my items, I want you to press on elements right here. So this cube icon. Then go to videos and press on more. So what you can either do is select a video from the screen right here, which will show up fairly shortly, or what else you can do is go to the top search bar here and search up a video of your choice. But how about for demonstration purposes, we select a video of someone that appears to be on their laptop with like a world map or a globe, sort of in the background as well. So we'll wait for this video to load, which will take a couple seconds, but to flip the video, it's pretty straightforward. Just go to the top here, press on the video, go to the top, and then press on flip. And the second option is flip vertical. And if you go ahead and press on flip vertical, the option or the video, I guess, will be flipped vertically. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can flip a video vertically or vertical in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.